Well, it's 7:22 right now, and I'm just waiting for the shuttle bus. David got it up ahead of me, as usual, and he's already there. So I'm going to meet him there, hopefully be able to get in line with him, but I doubt that right now. And we're going to try and snag that exclusive for you, Dan. Man, this is rough. This is the third day that I've gotten up earlier than 6 o'clock our time. All right, guys, wish me luck. Oh, and this is day 2 of Comic-Con.
So that's what we're trying to do. It's all based on replacing.
Well, it's day 2. It is around, I guess, 8:15, 8:20 in the morning, and announcements happening.
Everybody move around. The market comes back in September and October. It's the strongest part of the year. Because people, and the reason it's the strongest part of the year, let me explain something. One, funds have to close their books by
the announcement just came up that people have to start cooperating and being nice and moving over. So this is all a lot of fun. Anyway, as I was saying, it's day 2 of Comic-Con. I've already been to the preview day, and I've been to day 1. And I'm here again at 8:30, trying to get into the exhibit hall so I can pick up that exclusive for Dan. Oh, Dan. Wish me luck. All right, looks like they're letting us in right now. So I am not going to record anything. I'm just going to literally run to the Bandai booth. Hopefully I'll get lucky. Dan, wish me luck, because this is pretty much going to be my last chance at this. Oh, great.
Come back in 5! Come back in 5!
All right, I'm finally in line for the Bandai exclusive, yeah. Nice.
Right here, guys, right here. Give us a straight line, please, guys. We're asking for back in the line. Give us a straight line.
Okay, it's literally like 9:15, and I had to run here because they won't let us run. And this is how many people have already gotten in line, like crazy. Dan, I hope you appreciate what I'm doing, because this is nuts, brother. Anyway, I'll keep you posted. This is the line right here.
But I'll keep you posted.
It's a snake.
Once I finally get through everything.
Everybody wants their Ranger stuff, I'm pretty sure.
We're going to have a limited edition Tamagotchi as well, if you understand.
Alright. It always makes me laugh when everybody asks for a badge. I mean, we've been checked several times already. I guess it's procedure. Sorry, man. We need more inventory.
Guys, scoot up! Let's go! Find out who just bought all of them!
Alright, the blue Tamagotchis have already been sold out. I'm hoping there's going to be something left. Just said that they're out of Xeonizers again. I don't care what these people are saying. If I have to come back tomorrow, I'm running. This is stupid.
Are you guys out of Xeonizers again?
Your call time's going to be 1:48
sorry
today
about
as
that.
well.
I do apologize.
Is everything? Yep. Good?
All right.
I am not sure I'm going to be able to get this exclusive for you, man. This is the second time. I've been here at 9 o'clock twice. And they've been sold out twice. This is getting painful, man. This is like ridiculous. Alright, dude. Anyway, we'll see you later. So disappointed right now. Back there, but they've capped it already, so. Alright. Trying to get exclusives this year has just been a bunch of continuous fails. Right now, the Superman Hot Wheels limited edition car has been sold out every single time we get here, so I'm not sure David's going to be able to get it again this year either. It's literally at limited quantity already. Here's hoping, but this is a rough one, guys. This year is crazy. ridiculous. It just got sold out, and you've got to be kidding me. This is twice now. Actually, there's 3 times that we've tried to get the Superman exclusive, and all 3 times it was sold out before we even got into the main line. Just crazy. Anyway, we're probably going to regroup, go look at a few more exhibits, but then probably head back to the...
I want to see the trading cards, the Marvel trading.
I think I'm just frustrated for the day. I might just go back to the hotel and relax, maybe edit a film. I don't know. Watch some TV. I don't know. Anything's better than being here right now. That's a lie, of course, but... Oh, exclusives at Comic-Con. Can't leave just yet, so might as well take a look at some awesome displays. Check out this gigantic bumblebee they have here. Holy crap. So I can only imagine they're going to make some sort of TV series out of this or something. But he looks wicked. Nope, looks like it's a movie. Be cool. Wow. Not going to spend too much time here, but there is a Predaking.
Autobots on a beast to transform into a robot.
Yep.
That Predaking looks pretty sick. Holy cow. Whenever I'm here, I really have to always visit David of Beauty Replicas. He's still making some amazing stuff, David. This is some crazy work here. There's the Wonder Woman. Just looks amazing. This is the Batman from the Doomsday scene in Batman v Superman. The detailing in these replica suits is just ridiculous.
What's going on, Evan?
This one's the Snake Eyes. This looks amazing. Screen accurate as well. And this year, the pièce de résistance is definitely the Flash. It just looks ridiculous. How David actually puts this together there is just astounds me. And of course, there he is, the man himself, David Pea. Always doing business. Looking so dapper in his new stuff. Wow, I think David's making shoes now. That is just incredible. Wow. Get a pass to Hall H. You have to pass a security check just to get into the building. Wow. Good to know. We need a break from all the frustrations today, so David and I figured it's time for lunch. And what other better place to have lunch in America than a place called Chick-Fil-A. I've heard so much about this place, and a couple of friends of mine have been telling me that I should go and definitely check it out. So here I am. I'm gonna try this for the first time in my life. We'll see how it works. Okay, so this is the first time I'm trying Chick-Fil-A. I've heard so many things, don't know what to believe. So let's take a look at what we got. Wonderfully printed bag. Tells you exactly where you are, which is always fun. And inside this bag, you get a whole bunch of stuff. So the first couple of things that come out are sauce. We got our Chick-Fil-A honey mustard, which I am not a fan of because I don't like honey mustard. We have our barbecue honey. What is with all the honey? What else we got in here? Ah, this is my style. This has got the zesty barbecue. And we have the Chick-Fil-A sauce. Now I'm going to try that one first because I think that's a signature. Alright. A couple of napkins. Hold this down. I'll be using them to hold this down. Oh. We have our American fries because they don't want to call them French fries. I hope I didn't offend anybody by saying that. More sauce? Holy crap. I think we got one of everything. Barbecue. Makes me wonder if I'm going to actually start eating. Okay, I'm going to have to put this down for a second. Alright. The pièce de résistance does not come out very easily. It's the actual #1 Chick-Fil-A, their signature dish, I think. Alright. So, if you get the regular one, it doesn't come with lettuce or tomato. It comes with pickles and no cheese. But if you get this one, it comes with cheese, lettuce and tomato, and pickles. Alright. And of course, to wash it all down, I go with my Coke. Later on, I'll try their shake, which David knows. I always go for the shakes. Alright, well, I'm going to try this out. And Corey, I'm going to report back to you. Okay. I have to say, this is a pretty good chicken. It's not like we don't have chicken sandwiches in Toronto, but it's pretty good. The Chick-Fil-A sauce is actually kind of neat too. It's a bit of a sweet honey glaze. I hate honey glaze. This one's actually not bad. I could eat this for a while. So yeah, first time experience at Chick-Fil-A. I'm gonna go back for another sandwich too. This is actually really, really good. Don't tell anybody. Burger. So it just tasted so good I had to get something else. So what I ended up grabbing was get it out of the bag. I'm gonna give their 8 pieces of nuggets a try. Alright. I'm pretty sure these aren't McDonald's nuggets. Oh yeah, these look like real chicken breast. And they look damn tasty. Alright guys, I'll let you know. Alright. I'm gonna say it. This is damn good. Oh my god. That right there is some crazy chicken right now. My personal favorite is definitely the zesty. The zesty is definitely the way to go. Beautiful spiciness. Wow. I have to admit, the Chick-Fil-A sauce is pretty tasty too.
Stop it!
Yeah. Corey, you've got to come here, man. You've got to come here. Alright. I'm going to try and explain why these things are so good. But I'm not going to do a very good job. But anyway, here we go. Each one of these nuggets is a little bit smaller, or just around the same size as a chicken McNugget. But unlike a chicken McNugget, which is completely processed meat, this is a full piece of chicken breast. I mean, look at these pieces. They're all unusually sized, but they're breaded very, very lightly with this wonderful breading. And I got to tell you, that makes all the difference, because this is one of the tastiest nuggets I've ever had. A little bit of sauce. My favorite is the zesty, and I got to tell you, oh my god. Oh my god. Whoever owns Chick-Fil-A, come to Canada, please. Please come to Canada. David, this is ridiculous. Alright, I'm gonna finish this myself. Sorry guys. This is nuts. Okay, color me a happy man, because honestly, this was ridiculous. And now I'm gonna top it off with a celebratory shake. Although I don't have much to celebrate about today, but at the end of the day, you gotta take the small victories that you can. Whew, Corey, thank you for suggesting that to me. I will definitely be reporting back. Unfortunately, I can't bring you back anything. But thank you very much. I'm actually, because if you look at the lineup, it's a building. I forgot to mention as well, this is also a outdoor location, and David reminded me that of course it is. You know, we're in California. Southern California. So definitely I am coming back here every single time I can. Alright guys,